Hey y'all, it's TT Lavish and I'm here with TTDEYE contact lenses. This is not sponsored nor partnership, so you're gonna get a super duper good review on these contacts today. So right now I have in ocean brown. See if I can get this closer because I want to make sure you guys are getting a very good look. So this is ocean brown. It's looking green. I have very dark eyes, so I don't know if that's why it's coming up green. The color of the contact looked yellow, so I was very nervous about how it was going to look. I tried to wear more natural lashes versus thicker lashes so I don't distract you guys. Comfort, it's very comfortable. I don't feel them at all. I've been wearing contacts for about a year. I got a prescription for no power contacts from an eye doctor. These are the contacts. These probably won't be contacts I'll wear on a regular just because I'm not a fan of the green. I'm more into browns and grays. I don't think there's any sliding. I usually don't get too much sliding in my contacts anyways, so I'm trying to make them slide. These contacts come from China. I ordered them Wednesday, January 9th, and they came on Friday, February 15th, so it did take a little hot minute to get here, but I think it was Chinese New Year, so they're like everything is closed, and I had some other stuff coming in from China and they took a while to get into, so I don't think it was the company with that, but yeah, it was over a month to come in. And it looks like they started processing my order on January 30th. So I would say from January 30th to February 15th would be the shipping time. So I would feel like it'd take like 15 days normally. They ship it through DHL and USPS so you can track it. I got 3 pairs of contacts. I got 2 brown polar lights and 1 pair of the ocean browns. I think the polar lights brown is going to be more of my day-to-day. So for the 3 I ended up paying $58.80. So they were on sale. It was a buy 2 get 1 free for a total of 3 pairs of contacts. This site, the contacts were running for about $24 to $35, and then you got the 1 free. Again, this is not sponsored, but I will try and get you guys a discount code, so that should be below by the time the video is uploaded. But you're really probably not going to need it because all of these contact sites, their stuff is always on sale, so you can't return it. Yeah, so, but I will still try and get y'all the discount code just in case. Everything came in this little box. It was cute. They had a lot of goodies inside, which we will get into. We can go ahead and take a look at the Polar Lights brown. I do really like those because, again, they didn't have a limbo ring, which is that dark circle around the outside. So these are the TTDEYE brown Polar Lights. So I'm trying to show you guys different lighting. Just through my phone. Turn the lights. So now this is just natural light. See, light coming from the window. It looks like. So most colored contacts, I'm seeing the color edges on the peripheral of my vision, so it makes it a little blurry, and then I get that extra glare at night, but I'm not getting too much of that peripheral blurriness. I am getting a tiny little bit, but not a lot. I have gone in dark lighting to see how much, so my pupils could expand and see how much of that blurriness I'm getting, and I'm really not getting too much blurriness, so that's a good thing because it's really hard to find contacts for big pupils. I've also been told my eyes themselves are big because I have a big head, so everything is just bigger on me. So, but I am noticing that I'm not seeing my pupils around the edges, which is also really good. I'm not getting any, oh, there, I just got a little bit of sliding. See? I'm trying to slide the contacts to see how much they're sliding. I don't think they're sliding too much. I'll have to take a look at this footage again to see how much they really are sliding because I can't see it. But I am liking it. See, now they're looking gray. So I wanted to make sure you guys got a chance to see my natural eye color before I forget, just in case I forget later. Right now I have the ocean brown in this eye, which is kind of coming up green. Yeah, so I just wanted you guys to see how dark my actual eyes are. They are pretty dark. So if you're unsure how the color will turn up on your dark eyes, this is probably almost as dark as it gets. Not to make this video too long, y'all just need to see the contacts on super dark eyes. Again, I have really big irises. Oh, that's one. The ocean brown contacts, I'm getting a little bit of peripheral blurriness. I'm not having that with the HD Polar Lights brown, so that's a difference, and that's probably why I'll end up wearing those HD ones more. If you watch some more videos, you'll probably see me with them in. That is it. I hope I was helpful in helping you guys make a decision with these contacts. They're very cute on dark eyes. Oh, these jumbo hoops are from 11th Karma. The site is below, so you can go ahead and check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep getting into these contact reviews and all types of beauty tools, tips, and secrets. I do have another contact review coming soon. They're coming in the mail and they look beautiful. So be sure to subscribe so you do not miss it. Ta-ta, love. Ooh, it's so big. I don't know how. I guess because it's like a little frizzy. It's so like boom. Like boom. Okay, that's not what you're supposed to be doing right now. Although you look super cute. Okay, that's enough. This thing is bouncy. Oh my god. Cute, you feel me? Cute. I know y'all can see my pores. Woo. There, yeah, it's, I guess, ocean brown, like a dirty ocean. That's, I guess, what it is. Woo.